Hey everyone, welcome to my humble abode here in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm excited to talk to you. You have filled out a tour and went and taken a look at the Conversion Pros. I'm the guy who actually created the system and I'm the owner of the system. Let me explain why I did it. Well, for 14 years, I've been dominating the network marketing industry. I broke recruiting records in over 8 different companies. For example, one company, the highest rank in the company was called Diamond. I hit it in just 6 days. Another company had the all-time volume. They broke records for the biggest month ever in network marketing history. I was the #1 recruiter in that company for that month. Another company cost $2.99 to join, and I got over 200 people to sign up in about 30 days period of time. I won 5 cars, and I've even had billion-dollar companies hire me to help them build out their marketing funnel systems. Now, that being said, why did I build the Conversion Pros? Well, for the last 14 years, I've seen a huge gap between the people that make all the money and then there's basically everybody else. There's always the people that struggle and say, man, I can't sign anybody up. I keep paying money. I join this company and this company and this company. I can never get sign-ups. I hear that. I've heard that almost every day in my life for the last 14 years. And so on my quest, I have spent a ton of money buying all these tools. So I had a tool for emailing people and a tool to build sites and a tool for this and a tool for that. And before you know it, you're spending a ton of money on tools, different passwords to log in every month on each one. It will drive you nuts. And most of them were not up to my standards, so to speak. I wanted things to be easy. Some of this stuff you have to be a rocket scientist to use. So I built the Conversion Pros with the ultimate tool set for network marketers. You could build killer capture pages. Now you might say, well, my company gives me a website or a capture page. Well, any top earner on planet Earth will tell you that's a death wish. No top earner in any company will ever use a company website or a company capture page because they're all lame. There's no call to action there, and basically it screams the name of the company all the time. Let me ask you this, Christmas is coming up. Would you ever wrap a Christmas gift in clear wrapping paper so the person would see what it is before they got there? No. Answer solved. Okay, so we built killer pages that are 100% custom for any opportunity that you're in. We're going to show you how to build them step by step. One of the other things is we have a killer follow-up system, autoresponders, SMS texting, voice broadcasting, lead dialers, all built in so you can make sure your message gets out to your prospects. Now here's where it gets exciting. How would you like to know that when I broke all those recruiting records in all those companies, 85% of the people whipped out their credit card and joined me without me ever speaking to them. 85% I never spoke to on the phone, and it didn't matter whether it was $2.99 to join or $500 to join or $1,000 to join. Most of them just joined. Now, how would you like to know how to do that? So we have some killer training where I'm going to show you how to build out funnels for any company that you're in right now and show you how to do that, and that's part of the Conversion Pros. Get this, if that wasn't good enough, with all these tools that we created for you, we actually have a traffic source. We teamed up with the #1 traffic source out there that drives hot leads, home business opportunity seekers that are looking to join an MLM business right now with credit card in hand, and you can actually get leads in our back office sent to you, and you can show them the business that you're in currently. So if you're having trouble finding people, that problem is solved because we have people that we can just deliver to you. So we can have people chasing you instead of you chasing them.